I just spent $495 at Azure Standard. And y'all, I am not sorry about it. That is a lot of money. So I'm going to show you every single thing that I got and the price on each item. Because when you see what I paid versus what this would cost at a grocery store, you're going to be so excited to learn about this place. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I'm literally sitting in the Azure Standard pickup drop spot right now, and I cannot wait to show you everything I got. The truck's almost here, but I may have gone a little overboard this time. Okay, whatever. I definitely went overboard, but everything in this order is stuff that we actually use. It's real food, clean ingredients, and prices that are honestly kind of ridiculous, but like ridiculous in a good way. So we are loading all of this stuff into my car today, and I'm going to break down every single price for you when I get home, because when you see what I paid for versus what this would cost at like Whole Foods or Amazon or like a retail store, your jaw is going to drop. Okay, so the first thing is I've got the Force of Nature grass-fed meatballs. These are the Italian style. And so what I did for this is I got 3 of these because this, such quality ingredients. This brand is amazing. I love them. And my whole family eats them. So I just can't, I'm just so excited they had them. Anyway, so it's $39.88. Now at Whole Foods, it would have been $41.97 plus shipping. So that gives you a $2 to $5 savings there. All right, the next one is the ancestral beef. It's the classic meatballs, again, from Force of Nature. I paid $39.88. I got 3 of those again. At Whole Foods, it would have been $41.97 plus shipping. So you got the $2 to $5 savings on that one. And then I got the Force of Nature ancestral blend sausage. So I got 3 of these again, and that's $31.18. And at Whole Foods, it would have been $44.97. So that is a $14 savings. Okay, the next up is I got organic hard white wheat berries. I got the 50 pound bag. I am not lifting that up. Okay, but that one was $64.22. Y'all, they don't even have that at Whole Foods or any local store. So that's another like huge plus to doing the Azure Standard thing. But on Amazon, it would have been $130. So that is $66 in savings. Oh, and by the way, if you're like, what is that hard white wheat berry used for? I have tons of videos on my channel that shows you how to mill the berries to use them for fresh sourdough bread or fresh yeasted breads. I use them in brownies, cookies, whatever. There's so many types of grains. I just got this one right now because I'm already stocked up in all my other grains. So be sure to check out my channel if you're interested in learning how to make a nutritious bread. 40 out of the 44 essential ingredients that you need and none of that other yucky stuff. These are the plastic storage lids. I got these for $10.91. On Amazon, they would have been $13, so that is a $2 savings. All right, next up in the bag are the organic decaf coffee, but these aren't just any decaf coffee. They are watered processed. I specifically get this kind because I don't want them to extract the caffeine in a chemical way. This one, I got 2 of them. Obviously, they are $39.40. That is the same as what you would find at Whole Foods, so it equals out. All right, so next up is the mason jar pump. I wanted one of these so that I could put soap in my guest bathroom. We have a lot of kids that always are coming over and playing and washing hands. So I wanted something that was sturdy, but still also cute. That was $5.96. And at Michael's, it would retail between $10 and $17. So that's between like a $4 and $11 savings. Okay, so I got 2 of these Petula Gold raw mozzarella cheese sticks. They're like a huge cheese loaf. They are 5 pounds each, and I bought 2, and that was at $32. Y'all, you can't even get these at like your grocery store. You would have to go to a specialty retail store for that, and it would be $128 each. So that is a big total savings of $189. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is my favorite. It is the raw white cheddar cheese, and this one is going for, I bought this one for $51.80. And on retail, again, because you can't get this in a grocery store, it would be a specialty store, or they don't have it at Whole Foods or Amazon. It'd be $125, and that is a $73 savings. Wow. This one is my kids' favorite. It is the raw white cheddar. It's got a very mild flavor on it. And this one was $51.80. And so retail, it would be $125. So that is a $73 savings. This next one, we use it to clean everything and wash your hands. You can use it for shampoo, hand soap, cleaning. I mean, you just name it. It's the Pure Castile liquid soap. So this is compared to Dr. Bronner's, and 1 gallon on Amazon is between $55 and $62. This cost me $37.25. So that is a savings of $18 to $25, depending on what the price is on Amazon on the day that you order it. Okay, so I ordered these canning jars. They were why do I have my glasses on my head and I'm not even using them, just squinting? They are $15.18. They are the wide mouth ones with the lid. So I got 6 of them, and it's about even with retail being between $14 and $16. But here's what I have to say about these. I got these because I read the reviews, and these are supposed to be high quality glass. So that's why I got those. And then I got the jar lifter for canning. I got one, and this is $6.79. So on Amazon, it would be $7.52. So that is a 73-cent savings. Okay, so there you have it. All of this for $495. I'll leave the link to sign up for Azure Standard in my description. And I would love to hear if you are having any questions about the stuff that I bought, but also what kind of stuff do you buy? Oh my goodness, I would love to hear. And I do want to mention that, they always include the sales flyer in each catalog. So this is where I will thumb through and look to see what I want to try next. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.